Hello everybody, and welcome back to another one of our Wednesday videos. Today we're going to be testing another product for you, so I hope you all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. We're going to now show you the product what we're going to be testing for you this week. Right everybody, so the product what we're testing for you this week is Galaxy Brownie Mix Triple Chocolate, and it says it makes 12, and all you need to add is egg, oil and water. So that's what the packet looks like at the front, and at the back it's got the instructions at the back, the oven timing and everything. So this is what we're going to be testing for you today. So we've got our water, we've got our oil, and we've got one egg, and we've got our mixing bowl, a spoon and a spatula, and we've got our tray what we're going to bake it in, which is a tray, size tray what they've got on the recommendation of the packet. So we're going to make a start on this one. So we're just going to put these to one side and then we'll get back to you. So we're going to open up this packet now, and it just smells like drinking chocolate. So we've got all our product out. And that's what it smells like to me, drinking chocolate. You can see, I don't know if I can zoom in the camera a bit more. You can see little lumps of chocolate in the mix, which is the chocolate chips. So you can see those in there. Right. So to that now, I'm going to add our water. Going to add our oil, so just make sure I get all that out. Then we're going to add our egg to that as well. So that's all our ingredients added, and we're going to give this a stir in now. You can hear that noise in the background, sorry about that, that's our oven. So we're going to mix this in, so we're not going to, sorry if it's going to seem a bit long. We're going to mix it in so that you can see how everything comes together on it. And it looks a bit stringy, I will say. I don't know what these white things are, if that's the chocolate or what. It's got some little white things what's just come up. Don't know if it's a different type of chocolate or what, so we're going to give this a good mix in. So I hope you're all enjoying these videos, and these videos are videos what you can do with the kids. And this Galaxy Brownie mix. I've seen it in a few shops, so it's out there if you want to try it. We're going to give it the marks out of 10, which is going to be in the shopping list section. So don't go by our marks. Our marks is just what we think of the product for ourselves. So as you can see, all of a sudden there's a lot of chocolate lumps coming up now. Right, so we're going to put that in our tray now. Let you see us putting it in the tray, and then your oven, it says needs to be on a gas mark 5 if you've got a gas oven, or fan oven is going to be 170. Just looking at the packet to see if there's a oven time on there. It says for 18 to 20 minutes, so we're going to give it the far end, which is 20 minutes. Right, so let's get this into the tray. Remember, if you see any products or anything that you want to try but you're not sure, just let us know and we can see if we can get it. And we'll test them out for you, give you what our opinion on what we think of them. So I don't know if this rises or what, because it's going to be very thin in the tray. So I'm just trying to make sure I get it as even as I can. Right, so as you can see, I'm taking care to just make sure that I've got it, no eye spots or nothing in there. So we're going to put this in our oven now for 20 minutes, and then we'll see if they've got the correct timing on it. So the tin is the size, what's on the same size what they said on the packet. So if it doesn't bake within that 20 minutes, then they've got it wrong. So we'll get back to you and let you know how it comes out, and we're going to show you the results of it. Right everybody, we've had it in our oven now for 20 minutes, which is the top end of what it says, 18 to 20 minutes. So we left it in there for the full 20. We're going to take it out now and show you what it looks like. Then we're going to let it cool down. Then once it's cooled down, we're going to cut it in slices and see what it's like. So we're going to take it out. So that's what it looks like. Which is bubbly, almost similar to what the mixture looks like. But we haven't cut it yet, so it's risen a bit. So and then you can see the little chocolate chips on top, but you can't see any of the white ones showing through the mixture. So that picture isn't very accurate then, but once we let it cool down, we'll get back to you and show you the results of what this one looks like. Right, so everybody, we've got it to cool down now, so we're going to cut it into the slices. So this says that it does 12. So what I want to try and do now is get one out so you can see what it looks like. I can get my greaseproof paper. Got one. So as you can see, they're not all that thick. I have to get one off of the greaseproof paper so you can see what the texture is like inside, if I can. Right, let me get a plate so I can put some on. So I've got a plate there. I'm just going to see if I can get one off with that. So that's what they look like. I don't think they're very oozy as they should be. But brownies is not something that I do often. So you can see they're crumbling a bit and broken in half. I'm not going to show you all of them because that's going to take a bit long. But that's what they look like taken off. So that's for you. It's a Galaxy Brownie Mix Triple Chocolate. Look in the shopping list for the description and the added ingredients, and we're also going to be putting the marks out of 10 what we think of this product. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend, and if you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them, and thanks for watching this one, and we'll see you on the next review. Thank you.